is Robin, and this is my roaming closet. I just want to thank you so much for joining me. If you're brand new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're returning or you just subscribed, thank you. I so appreciate you being part of my YouTube family. I don't really do a lot of talking besides unboxing the box, but I do have a favor to ask. I love doing YouTube, and I don't get paid for any of these boxes. Occasionally I'll get a credit if somebody uses my link, which I so appreciate. But if you can do me a favor, I am running a contest for the month of August. If you watch the whole entire video, and I usually keep mine anywhere from 7 minutes to the most maybe 18 minutes when I have to do a clothing unboxing. If you can watch the whole video, and if you do, you can either comment or leave a couple cactuses below, and I know that you did. It's just an honor thing, and you will be entered into my contest. And I am going to pick 2 winners, just random comments on all my random videos for August. So I'll do the drawing sometime in September. And one of the drawings is going to be for a $25 gift certificate to Stitch Fix. I know most of you use Stitch Fix, so I'm going to do that. And then the other one I'm actually putting together, so I'll have more details throughout the videos. So keep watching my videos, keep liking my videos, watch them, and give me those cactuses. So anyway, on to what you probably came for. The unboxing I'm doing today is Peaches and Petals. And if you've watched me for a while, you know I can never remember how much boxes are. I have to put it up on the screen. But I think this one is $19.95, and I did cancel this one. So this will be my last one. I like the box, but there were things in there that just really weren't for me. I think last month is where I got the shower curtain, and I'm thinking of using it for a backdrop. So I'm going to open it and see how it'll look as a backdrop. I don't want it to look like I'm sitting in front of my shower, but it was actually a really pretty one, so I'm going to test it out for that. And this is a lifestyle box, and the one thing that I give them a negative cactus on is the way they package it. They just kind of throw everything in here. It's not wrapped nicely in tissue paper, and there's no card, so you don't really know what the items are, how to use them, or what they retail for. So they do have nice things, but they're just kind of going on the cheap. Is that what you say? So anyway, let's get into it. The first thing says blush watermelon, and it's an ice cube tray. Now this is cute. I don't really have, we have such a small freezer that I don't know if I have room for it, but I do know a little girl back in Chicago that might like it for her house, because my daughter does a lot of outside entertaining. So I guess you just fill it up with water and make some watermelon ice cubes. So it's cute, and excuse me, but again, I really don't know how much it costs. I suppose I could go online and maybe check. So it is a cute, again, it's a lifestyle box, so you just never know what you're gonna get. The next thing I see, and I do love these, are socks. I think we just got some in our Luxury Diva box, but I can never get too many of these. They're great for when I'm up here in Washington. I wear my gym shoes a lot because we go on the side-by-sides and the motorcycle and stuff, and I do need to have socks on. And there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of socks. And I know these aren't cheap because I go to buy them at like Walmart and stuff, and they're not cheap. So I do like those. The next thing is Spring Flowers Fragrance. It's an owl air freshener. Oh, this is so cute. And I definitely could use this in one of my cars. It doesn't say what flavor it is, but it does smell good. And who doesn't want an owl looking at them? So I do like that. The next thing, Flight of Fancy In-Flight Essentials. So I guess if you're traveling, this looks like the size, you know, where you take out of your carry-on bag and you have all your liquids in here, and it's the perfect size for that. So let's see what is in here. Again, we do a lot of traveling by car, but my daughter, who travels to Europe and goes all over the place, she might like it. So there's a pair of socks in there, and I know she does not like pink. When I have a son who's older, and then I had my daughter. What's the first thing you do when you have a daughter? You go out and buy all sorts of cutesy things, everything pink, the little headbands, everything's pink and lace. And I don't know what stage of the game she went into. I don't like pink. So I can't send her these socks because she's going to call me up and she's going to say, Mom, I like the socks, but you know I don't like pink. So they're a keeper for me. The next thing in here, it looks like it might be for your eyes when you sleep on the plane. Either that or it's the tiniest bra I have ever seen. It doesn't say what it is. And again, there's no card, but I'm thinking it's got the little strap here. I'm thinking it's for your eyes. Again, it's pink. She's not going to wear it. And then there's a cute luggage tag. Now that is cute. I will keep this because again, there's pink in there and God knows how much of the pink she doesn't like. And there's little things for your ears. I always get on the planes with the screaming babies. And I do not know, these look like tiny bows. I have no idea what these are. Okay, I have to admit this is a fun box because there's some screwball things in here. I don't know what these are. And let's see. Oh, here we go. There's the socks. And it comes in 3 different languages. And that's all it's got in here. It only has the socks. Oh, wait. It's not in the language, but there's a luggage tag, there's a mask. I don't know, 'cause none of it's in English. Oh, wait, here we go. Duh. Okay, there's the eye mask, the luggage tag, a pair of bar plugs, a pair of socks, and hair ties. Okay, these are hair ties. I don't know. Okay, I guess you make a ponytail out of them. They're like the smallest things ever. So there's those. So my daughter's not going to use anything in this bag. I do like the luggage tag and the socks. And there's one more thing in this box. And it's Burt's Bees Cleansing Oil, and it's argan. So I don't know, you wash your face with this or if this just goes on after. I'm thinking you wash your face with it. It's for normal to dry skin. So this was everything that was in the box. Again, it is the cleanest box I have ever seen. I do like the socks. I do like the air freshener. The little mini bra, not so much. And the ice cube tray is cute, so that will go to my daughter. So yeah, I want to say this was about $19.99, $20. Let me know what you think of it. I did cancel it because, as I said, they have fun stuff in there, but it's kind of pricey just to get a plastic ice cube tray or something. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.